Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is index of an extra element. So we have given two arrays, array 1 and array 2. Array 1 has same elements as array 2 but one extra element, and we have to tell which index. So in the first example the index is 4. So as array is sorted, so we can use binary search. So I will set one pointer L to 0 and R to n minus 1. Now just to find the mid, so 3, so it's the third index 0 1 2 3. 3 and 3 index, 3 and 3 index value is same. So as we can see, till L, from L till mid all values are same. So we just have to check if mid value is same in both the arrays. So mid value is same, so the extra element is on the right hand side. So just set L to mid plus 1. So now find mid. Mid is 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. As you can see, the mid value is not same. So we are sure that whether the value is mid, whether the index is mid or mid minus 1. So just change R to mid. So we have changed. Now let's find mid. So 9 by 2, 9 by 2 is 4, mid. So just check if fourth index is same, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth index is not same. So if value is not same, whether mid is the answer or mid minus 1 is the answer. So just change R to mid. Now both values are equal. So while loop will not work now. So we just have to return the L. So in this case L is 4, so we will return 4. Now let's run the same approach in this test case. L and R, its mid value is 2. Let's check if mid value is same in both the arrays. As you can see, second value is same in both the arrays. So till mid all values are same. Now set L to mid plus 1. Find mid. Mid is here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth value is not same. So we are sure whether mid is our answer or mid minus 1 is our answer. So just set R to mid. R here. Now find mid. 7. 7 by 2 is 3, mid. So mid is here, third. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3. No, it's not same. So just set R to mid. Mid is here, R to mid. Now both values are equal. So while loop will not work, we will return 3. So as you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3. Third index is not same. Till L, all values are same. So we will return L. So this question is very simple. Let's jump into the code. We have two pointers L and R and a while loop. Find the mid value. If mid value is same in both the arrays, so we are sure till mid all values are same. Just set L to mid plus 1, else set R to mid. At the end return L. So its time complexity is log n and space is constant.